Today we will discuss minors and cofactors of elements of a matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order n by n. The minor of the element Aij is denoted by Mij and is defined as the determinant of the submatrix obtained by deleting the ith row and the jth column. For example, if I have a square matrix of order 3 by 3 and if I have to find out the minor of this element, now position of this element is A12. So minor of A12 will be denoted by M12. Here I is 1 and J is 2. Now according to the definition, Mij is the determinant of the submatrix obtained by deleting the ith row and the jth column. So here this element minus 2 lies in the first row. So I delete the first row, and it lies in the second column. So I delete the second column. So I am left with the elements 4, 6, 2, minus 3. So the determinant of this submatrix is equal to M12. Now this is a 2 by 2 order determinant, and you know how to calculate this. It is the product of these two, that is negative 12. From this subtract the product of these two, which is 12. So minus 24. So minor of this element is minus 24. Now we will discuss cofactor of an element of a matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order n by n. Cofactor of the element Aij is denoted by Cij and is defined as Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to the power I plus j into Mij, where Mij is the minor of the element Aij. For example, if we have a square matrix of order 3 by 3 and if I have to find the cofactor of this element. Now this element is present in the first row and in the third column. So its position is A13. Now if I have to find the minor of this element, it will be denoted by M13 and cofactor will be denoted by C13. Now, according to the definition, C13 will be equal to minus 1 raised to the power I plus j. So here I is 1 and j is 3. So it is minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3 into Mij, that is M13. Now I have to find M13. By definition, M13 is the determinant of the submatrix obtained by deleting the first row and the third column, that is this submatrix. Now the determinant of this submatrix will be equal to M13, and this is equals to product of these two, which is 4, minus the product of these two, which is 10. So it is -6. So cofactor of this element is C13, which will be equal to -1 raised to the power 4 into -6. That is -6. In the last example, we have seen that minor of element A13, that is M13, is equal to -6, and cofactor of A13, which is denoted by C13, is -6. Now let's find out the minor of the element A23. A23 means element present in the second row and in the third column. So this is your element A23. Minor of this element will be denoted by M23, and it is equal to the determinant of the submatrix obtained by deleting the row and the column in which this element lies. Now this element lies in the second row, so I delete the second row, and this element lies in the third column, so I delete the third column. So I am left with the submatrix with elements 2, -1, -2, 1. So minor of A23 is the determinant of this submatrix, that is this. Now this will be computed by product of these two, which is 2, minus the product of these two, which is 2. So it's 0. Now cofactor of A23 will be denoted by C23, and by definition it is -1 raised to the power I plus j. Here I is 2 and j is 3. So it's 2 plus 3 into M23. So it's -1 raised to the power 5 into 0. M23 is 0. So it is -1 into 0 is 0. Let's take another example. Minor of element A21. It is denoted by M21, and it is equal to the determinant obtained by deleting the row and the column in which this element lies. So here A21 is your this element. So it lies in the second row. So I delete the second row and the first column. So I am left with the submatrix with elements -1, 3, 1, 2. So value of this determinant is -5. So M21 is -5. Now cofactor of A21 denoted by C21, it is equal to -1 raised to the power I plus j. Here I is 2, j is 1. So it's 2 plus 1 into M21. So it is -1 raised to the power 3 into M21, which is -5. So it is -1 into -5, that is +5.